Hey, hello everybody. For the purposes of this video, we're going to create a brand new Microsoft account. We're going to use that Microsoft account to sign into the Azure portal for the first time. If you have an existing email account that you have linked to a Microsoft account, you can just sign in here, right? You can see I have an ltric.edu account saved here previously. But for the purposes of this demo, let's work under the impression that you want to start a brand new Azure account with a brand new email address. So go to portal.azure.com and it will redirect you to this login.microsoftonline.com page, but portal.azure.com will get you here. Okay, and then we're going to click on create a new account. Let's get me a new email address. Right, my phone number has already been registered, which is why I can't use that here. And if you do plan on doing this with multiple accounts, I also suggest that you don't use your phone number because you won't be able to tie your phone number to multiple emails, right? So let's use a brand new email account. So I've done this a few times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Yahoo account, which is mkelly_25@yahoo.com. I'm going to add some additional 25s to the end of it. My email address is going to be at outlook.com, which is fine. Okay, like I said, I've done this a few times, so the more 25s I append, okay, we're going to create a password. I'm going to uncheck this box. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to use the same password I use for testing purposes pretty much everywhere. It is a secure password. It's not based on a dictionary word. Not physically impossible to crack, but it would be difficult because it uses upper and lowercase letters. It uses numbers and special characters. So let's click next. But listen, before you continue, it's not asking you to confirm that password. So what you can do, and what I am a fan of, if you're at home, right, and so there's nobody shoulder surfing you, you can type in what you want your password to be in Notepad. Okay, you can visualize it, you can see it. It stops you from having the caps lock key turned on and then doing something like this. Because it doesn't ask you to confirm your password, you can click the little eyeball here to show you the password. I'm not going to do that, but I am a fan. If I'm home alone in a private setting, I'll type the password I want into Notepad, I'll copy it, and then I'll paste it. That way I have it. Okay, so I'm just going to hit next here instead. Now I want you to go through the CAPTCHA process here, 64XYHSPS5. Now, these CAPTCHAs should not be case sensitive. We're going to find out here in a second if that still holds true. Okay. I have created an account. I'm signed in. I can choose to start the tour. I'll say maybe later. Okay. If you're brand new to Azure, start the tour. Take a look around. It's going to highlight areas of the screen and little tooltip windows will appear telling you here's what's up here. Now do notice, right, I don't have any subscriptions. I now have a Microsoft account, mkelly_25 at outlook.com with a secure password. I can sign into Azure, but I can't do any Azure work because I don't have a subscription yet. I can choose to start a free trial, which is what I would do here. You'll get 30 days where everything is free until you spend $200 or more on resources. Once you spend $200, your account will switch over to a pay-as-you-go account and you'll start getting billed for those resources. Now, one thing to point out, the last thing, if I start a free trial, yes, it's a free trial, but they're going to ask you for a credit card number to verify your identity. You have to provide a credit card account. Okay. Now, because this is a college and you're college students, I can't force you to use your credit card or to get a credit card if you don't have one. But if you do have one, please feel free to do what I just did here. Create an account, get signed in, start your free account, and that way you'll be able to easily follow along with the labs that we're going to be doing later in the semester. All right, I hope this video helped. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in the next one.